It's the morning cryptos, and something's going on. Something's happening. Let's find out what's going on in the world. The crazy crypto cranker world of Bitcoin. Right now. All right. Hey, everybody. As I've been doing for the last week, I'm just going quickly to Google, typing in Bitcoin price or whatever, noticing Bitcoin's 48.16. That's quite the increase from where it was the last time I looked. And we have an interesting mystery here. Bitcoin suffers mystery flash crash on popular cryptocurrency index. That was 3 hours ago. Let's just look at that real quick, and the rest I will let you check out on your own. Okay, the digital currency had hit a high of 48.67 early on Monday, according to the industry website. Highest since September, but the same index showed that it dropped by over $600 to a low of 42 at roughly 9 a.m. London time. None showed a sign of a flash crash. Bitcoin appeared to have a flash crash, but only one index logged the price move. Interesting. Down to CoinDesk Bitcoin price is made up of an average from 4 exchanges. That's interesting to know. And okay, that's I guess they're looking for some kind of news. I don't know. Flash crash history. Interesting stuff. Okay, well, let's actually look at the charts because I'm going to the beach today. I'm taking a day off, people. All right. So, what do we got? We got the quantum. And let's go straight to the big boys. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash since the top of the list. And it looks like I'm kind of doing what it's been doing. It's not a bad time to buy. Okay, fine. We'll just check in with Bitcoin. Oh my God, look at Bitcoin. Oh boy. Look at this. Bitcoin. Oh! So here's what's gonna happen, people. It's gonna hit 5,000, okay? And then it's gonna retrace, right? That's what it does. So, I will when it comes back down to the $3,200 range, then I will start buying some Bitcoin. Right? So don't chase this, people. This is Bitcoin. It'll go up, and then look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up days. What happened the last time? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up days, right? This is actually 6 up days in a row. That's pretty significant. Look back. Do you see any other 6 up days? The biggest we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up days, and then a price consolidation where it basically went all the way back. Right? So remember, volatility is your friend if you surf it the correct way. All right, so just be careful out there, people. All right, I don't want you to be chasing this market because $5,000 is a long way to fall if it falls, right? And if you bought one Bitcoin at $5,000, when it hits 5,000, it's gonna retrace, and you're gonna feel really shitty for a while. So don't do it. But when it comes back, we'll get her. We'll get her then. Let's just look at the 1 hour chart just to be thorough here. Yeah, we're consolidating right now. So interesting to see what will happen for the rest of the day. All right. Dash with the hash is Dash, mash. Dash is interesting. It's kind of testing this support here, but it seems to be holding. If we draw a line, Shizumpy, right there, it's actually pretty good support at that point, but we'll see. It might dip down. But this is our line, our corridor of grooviness. Okay, what else is going on? EOS is still putting along down there. That's good to know because I haven't stocked up on it yet. I bought a little of it. Ethereum, okay. Like I said, we have double tops in Ethereum, and the bottoms are all higher. Again, I bought myself a little Ethereum yesterday. Not a bad price, $2.99. I think it's underpriced. I think Bitcoin's overpriced, but that's my opinion. IOTA looks like a little drop off here, but still generally finding support if we move this line. It's not horrible, but it's less of a channel upwards. Interesting. Okay, let's look at Litecoin. Sorry I'm yawning. I know it's rude, but I just woke up. Okay, it's the morning cryptos, not the evening cryptos. And I'm not going to do the evening cryptos because this is enough to do in one day. It's not like I get paid for this. Okay, so. Okay, so Litecoin. Of course, I bought some yesterday at 52. Now it's 50. Interesting stuff here. Gotta get rid of that line. Too many lines. Do I have another? Yeah. Got an extra line there. Get rid of that. Boom. Okay. So yeah, Litecoin is doing what it always does, and at the moment we don't have a whole lot of volatility in it, but keep an eye on it. Let's see what Neo's doing here. Neo's doing that thing that Neo does. Okay, whatever. I don't have any Neo. I don't know. It's just one of my favorites on the chart. Not a real favorite. Just I wanted to see what's going on because everybody was talking about it. All right. Oh my God. OMG. Omise Go. Looking like we got some support here. We got this support and this support and this support. And, where do you really draw that line? I don't know. But we have lower tops. So something to keep an eye on. And if it goes lower, I'm definitely going to pick some more up. If it tanks like down in this range, definitely going to buy some more. Okay. Let's see. Monero. Kind of doing the same thing. Monero and Litecoin. Not that much. I thought maybe they might have some similarities. But Monero, again, we have some decent support here. It's just a little flatter now than it was. And we have a double top situation, but we don't have higher tops here. So, interesting. I think something's about to happen. I don't know. One of the news headlines kind of mentioned that. It just seems like somebody is expecting an event. Let's look at Civic real quick. Get rid of that big one. Yeah, not a bad time to buy yourself some more Civic. Oh man. It's way down. Okay. And I think we will finish with Quantum. And I just want to see. So Quantum is down volume-wise in the number 10 spot, which is not bad. It was kind of hanging there for a little while. And Stellar Lumens, like, what the hell? That's interesting. Oh man, I could just look at this all day. Just look at all the little lights going. All right. Well, I wanted to keep this short, and I did. So people, that's it for today. This is Mark Shepard, and this has been the Morning Cryptos with very little philosophy, very little hypnotic language patterning or comments on the world, because I just want to kind of check in, and then I'm going to pack up, and I'm going to go to the beach today, and we'll see We'll see what it's like at the beach. I like going to the beach, and here's a little philosophy for you, okay? Earl Nightingale said, if you don't know what to do, watch the crowd and then do the opposite. Go in the opposite direction of the crowd. So I go to the beach in October. That's what I do. I don't go to the beach in the summer because, first of all, I don't suntan. I burn. Second of all, I don't like the crowds, the traffic, or the parking. And I just like having the beach to myself. That's all. So that's why I do it. I do it in October or September. And we're going to have a beautiful day here on the East Coast. And that's what I'm doing. All right, so have a great day, people. And just remember, don't chase a running away market. Let's end with Bitcoin. There it is. You might see it hit 5,000 today, and that would be historic. And trust me, it's not going to stay at 5,000 because it's so annoying to use because it takes hours for it to actually confirm. Okay? So I'm kind of staying away from Bitcoin, but the last little thing I want to say is that if I had, there's a lot of money to be made between 3,200 and 5,000, right? And I would be willing to bet there's a lot of people who have their stops just before 5,000 because they know it's going to hit 5,000 and drop, right? So let's watch that. That's my prediction. Let's see if that actually happens. Of course, it could go to 6,000, right? In which case, the thing is, there's a lot more money to be made in Bitcoin than pretty much any of these other coins just because of the steepness of price, right? If Ethereum goes between 400 and 200, let's say, that's one fluctuation, but Bitcoin is fluctuating between 5,000 and 3,000. Like you could have made $1,000 here, you could have made $1,000 here, you could have, if you didn't buy at the top, you could have waited and then made 1,000 here, right? But that's all 2020 hindsight. The thing is, you have to feel comfortable in your trades, and I just feel like there's something going on with Bitcoin. We got a hard fork, another hard fork coming up. We've got all kinds of dissension. SegWit is supposedly happening, but it's not happening fast enough, and all this kind of stuff. I'm like, right? That may be getting in my way of actually making money, right? So anyway, the whole point is we never know. And it's wonderful to have 2020 hindsight, but you've got to do what you feel comfortable with in the present. Find a path, take that path with heart, and stay with it. Stick with it for a while at least. And that's why I'm doing 90-day challenges, because I'm like, yeah, I could do this for a week and I might learn enough to become dangerous. But if I do it for 90 days, I'm going to have a certain perspective. So that's what I'm doing. It's a 90-day challenge, and today is, I think, day 72 of that 90-day challenge. So I hope you guys have a great day, and if you like this, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will be back tomorrow. I'll be rested. I'll be alert. I'll be full of grandiose ideas, and I will share them with you. And so let's start the music, and have a great day.